Hi, hello friends, welcome to Brighter API. I am Milind Mehta. In this tutorial, we are going to learn our next Hackerrank algorithm, which is the day of programmer, which is the part of the implementation section. So let's go to our Hackerrank account and let's understand the algorithm. So friends, this is my Hackerrank account and let's solve our next challenge. Okay. Let's understand our next algorithm, which is the day of programmer. What it says that Mary invented a time machine, wants to test it by the time traveling to visit of the Russia on the day of the programmer, which is the 256th day of the year, during the year of inclusive of 1700 to 2700. Okay, so in the Russia, what it says that from 1700 to 1917, Russia official calendar was the Julian calendar, and since 1919 they used the Gregorian calendar system. The transition of the Julian calendar to Gregorian calendar system occurs the 1918 when the next day of the January of 31st and the next day of which is the 14th Feb. Okay. This means that, so what is trying to say is that in 1918, 31st January and the next day of the 31st January, which should be a 1st of the February, but it was not. What it was that, it was the 14th February. So what they are trying to say that they are trying to convert from the Julian calendar to Gregorian calendar. Okay, so it was the 32nd day of the year of the Russia. Okay. In the both calendar system, February is the only month of variable amount of the day. It says it has the 29 days of during the leap year. Okay, the 28 days during all the years in the Julian calendar, leap years are divisible by 4, and the Gregorian calendar leap years are either of the following, which should be divisible by 400 or divisible by 4 and not able to by 100. Okay. So what basically we need to find that they will try to input a format that we need to find a 256th day of the year according to the official Russian calendar during that year and the print of that DDMMYY, where DD will be a date, M will be a month and YY will be a year. Okay, so they will input as a Y. So what we need to basically find, if we simplify to understand that 1700 to 1918, we need to find out as the Julian calendar. After that, what we need to do find all the years as a Gregorian calendar. Okay, and the 1918 where it should be a 31st January after the 32nd day, which should be a 1st February, but it was not. What it was the 15th February. So let's try to write the code. Okay, let's understand their example. So they are inputting the 2017 and year 2017 where January has the 31 days, February which is the 28 days, March has 31 days, April has 30 days. So same as till they are counting that the August. Okay, so 31 plus 28. So all this till the August they are counting that date is a 243. And what we need to find? We need to find a 256th day. So 256 minus 243. Okay, so which should be a 13. So what it will be? 13 will be a next date of the August, which is 8th month, and we need to find are going to end 9th month, which is the September. So 13 September 2017. Same as if you will find for the 2016. So 2016 will be should be a leap year. Okay, so they will 31 plus 29. So all the total is 244. 256 plus 244 is equal to 12, and the next 256th day of that year should be a 12th September 2016. So let's try to write the code and fix this challenge. Okay, it's very easy. It's saying all the complication, but when we are going to write it, it is very easy. Okay, so what it says that they have taken a one solution class and they have taken one method, solve method, and the public. They have taken a year and they are calling this to the solve function and they are just printing the result. So it's easy. It's very easy. Okay. So what we need to do that. So we need to find now that 256th day of the year. Okay, so let's write the code. Okay, so how we will find that? Okay, we need to return a something, so that's answer date. Okay, answer date. Okay, we need to return it. What we need to do that, we need to take a calendar. Okay, calendar CA is equal to calendar. So in this we will understand all the calendar class methods. Okay, we are taking the instance. Okay, so we need to find the three things. Firstly, if year is less than 1918. Okay, so what it was, they are following a Julian calendar. So if it is less than, and we need to find a year which should be a leap year, so we need to find divide by 100 and the remainder should be a 0. Okay, then only. Else if, what we need to find, if year is equal to 1918. Okay, and else this thing. Okay, we will make one method to pass everything, and we need to count everything as the same. That's why I'm making a one method which is a static. Okay, we will return a date here, that get answer date. Okay, and the okay. So let's try to understand that what we need to pass. Okay, so now so basically we need to find a 256 date. So it's very easy. We need to store the answer in the answer date. Okay, so answer date is equal to, okay, so get answer date. What we need to find out, we need to firstly initially pass the calendar object. Okay, we need to find a year, and we need to find a 256th day of that year. Okay, so basically if we will find in the 2017, we need to find a 256 days. So forget about all the calendars, we need to find a 256 days. So how we will find it? By using a Java. It's very simple. So we are passing here the three things. So let me take all the three things here. Calendar CA. It's not showing a suggestion, that's why I'm copying it for avoiding a spell mistake. We need to pass a year, and we need to find which day of that year we need to find. Okay, so simply CA dot set CA dot YEAR. Okay, we are setting that here. Okay, after that CA dot set. Okay, what we need to find, that CA dot day of that year. Okay, so basically if let's go to the API integer. I got Java calendar API. Okay, so let's go to the API and YEAR. So here all the day of that year. Okay, so what it will give you, that it will that get and the set for indicating the day of that number of that current year. Okay, so basically I am using predefined Java all the method, and what we need to find out which day we are here passing. Okay, after that we need to take a simple, I think, let me simple date format. Okay, date format. Okay, this is the class, I think you are much aware of this. Okay, SDF is equal to new, which is basically using for the converting a date in the which format we need. So basically in that they need in a format DDMM. There is a no hyphen, there is a dash. So M should be a capital, that's why I'm doing it a capital. Okay, now what we need to return it, we need to return SDF dot format. Okay, and CA dot get time. Okay, So here what we will do, we will find our 256th day. Okay, if there is a 1918, okay, so now let's try to explore ourselves. If there is a 1918, so we need to print the same thing. Okay, but here we will not find the 256 days. What the day we will find it? Understand it from that the 31st January. Okay, and the next date is the 14th Feb. So how many days we will be missed? We missed the 13 days from the 1st Feb to 13th Feb. Okay, so 256. Okay, we need to find. Okay, 256 plus 13. Okay, what it will be? It will be a 269. So what we need to do here? We need to find a 269. Okay, and in less than 1918. Okay, so when it was the following the Julian calendar. So basically Julian calendar was the following that in the points. So they was following that 365.20. That is the year. But when it is divisible by 100, they are counting as a full day. There is a less of the 1 day. So that's why we will pass it to 55. Okay. This is the logic behind this, and you will get that year from using that date. Okay. So let's run the code. Oh, I think we have made a mistake of the string spelling. T-R-I-N-G. And we have not taken even simple date format as well. Okay, I think it is fine. We have taken java.text.star. Okay, so let's run the code. Oh, we have missing a return statement. I think that is the basically reason it was not showing all the suggestion, because if we have done a compile time error, it is not showing directly, but next our errors will not show. So let's run the code, and we have passed the initial test cases. Okay, so and let's submit the code, and let's check we can able to pass that all the test cases or not. Oh my god, that's 59 test cases. So let's check all the test cases we have passed or not. Oh, we have earned the 15 points, and congratulations guys, we have completed this challenge, which was the very easy, but trying to read it, explore it, understand it, and find everything, get all the data together and start writing the algorithm. So that will be a very easy. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please write anything in the comments if you need any more detail regarding this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like my page, like my YouTube, like like my video. Please subscribe my channel and comments the below and share my videos. Thank you guys, thank you so much.